Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Friday. Uh, was a nice week. We cannot complain about the crypto market. We made some money. We can make more. So, we can start as usual with Bitcoin on daily chart. Morning, Harry. Hey, Darren. Hey, everyone. Let's start. So, on Bitcoin, just 1 minute to close some sound here. On Bitcoin, we are trying to make that daily W. Not as low as I was hoping, but you can see here. Dump, pump, higher low, and we are trying to get the other side. We can go sideways because today we have some news. Go sideways today, tomorrow, and maybe next week to make the W. It's possible. The important thing for us is that the market is respecting 110. Is holding 110 and is respecting that level, trying to accept above. Put 110 as support again, which is nice. I like it. Let's see if we'll succeed. Let's see if we'll get a better W because this one is damn big. Look at it. 103, 114. Come on. $11,000 is not the W I want to trade as a swing trader. No? We want lower ones. It's too much, but it's giving us an idea of the direction of the market. So nice to see some improvement. Yesterday you saw what I said on Twitter. Yeah, officially we began the altcoin season. Yeah, half joking, but actually only half joking. Okay, so Bitcoin is looking nice. If Bitcoin will stay at 110 here for longer, it's even better for us. You can see the other template. You can see on, if we close like this, on the line chart, we'll have the W pretty soon. Short reload zone from the entire move, it's a lot higher, 120. Remember, when we'll reach 120, remember, don't get extra bullish and think, well, to the moon. Try to protect your capital and hedge a little bit. Even if the hedge will be, I don't know, the stop loss will hit on that hedge, doesn't matter. This other chart is similar, nothing changed on the index. Let's see, if we'll accept above 126, then we can call, well, this was just the local top. Okay, Ethereum fighting 4,000 again and again and again. As a swing trader, I said it multiple times, it's hard to trade Ethereum. Why? It's fighting that $4,000 and it's bouncing above, it's rejecting, it's getting back below. A swing trader, nothing can do here. A day trader instead, we can make a lot of money. So, nice to see Ethereum back in the middle of the Monday range, back fighting $4,000. If we'll accept above, you can see we didn't accept above 4,000 on daily chart from some time. We closed 15 October below and we stayed below on the candle body close. Maybe today will change and probably will change something. Let's see, it's Friday, we'll close the CME chart today. Let's see what will happen. On 4-hour chart, you know, I'm looking at the lower time frame here on the overview, because 4 hour for a day trader, for a scalper, it's an overview. It's not a time frame you trade. We are trying to fight and accept above the Monday high. If we'll do that, we have an SFU at 114 and higher. Here at the Monday high, I don't want to anticipate anything. Why? We already broke that once. So I don't know if it's the best level to short here. I think it's not. I saw a lot of people, well, where we can short? Let's short. Where we can short? Show me a setup. A setup to short. I don't think it's the best idea. Let's wait. We have an event today. But people, when Trump wants to move the market up, the market will move up. Yeah? You saw what happened with CZ yesterday. They said, okay, you are clean now. Yeah, let's wash you out a little bit. You are clean. Come on, join us. That's a damn good tell what is next. So I'm not shorting this one. If I'll see a clear setup, I don't know, on 50-minute chart and higher time frame, I see a clear breakout, weak to the upside, and then a close back down, and it's a clear setup, well, I'll play my fucking setup. But I'm not tempted to short here. I want higher. I want candle body highs here, maybe SFU here, maybe even higher if I want to short. On the other hand, I am in a long. I want to keep that long as much as possible. Okay, Ethereum on 4-hour chart. I'll tell you what a symmetrical triangle means. Yeah, you can see symmetrical triangle, and I said here we'll have volatility, usually close to the end. And we attempted above, fake out. Then to the downside, another big fake out. Then we made the W, and we are back in the same place. Probably will break to the upside and will push higher in the short reload zone. But when you see a symmetrical triangle, get the fuck out and let it play itself out. If you know how to play it, well, you can play here along. There are ways, but it's expanding volatility usually. Stefan has a different name for this one, but okay. Let's go back on daily and let's see what we have on other charts. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, still in this downtrend channel. I want to see a W. I want to see some strength. I want to see the other side of this line, making some W's. I love the fact that it's holding this level for the moment. That's good. Dominance. Well, we don't have, I call the altcoin season without having the daily amp, but let's wait for that daily amp. Will happen sooner than later, in my opinion. Let's see. I want a smaller one to give me better opportunities, but it's not up to me. The ugliest one could be this one here. This big one. But we can hope. We can hope for a smaller one here in the 60% area. That will be something nice. Yes, strong, but not something you should buy, not something you should do here. It's damn strong for you to try to short. We had opportunities here. Now, looks like wants to SFU this level. If you want to play that SFU, it's up to you. Could push a lot higher, yes. I want to trade this one. No, I'm not trading. I'm trading only on crypto, but we did the fuckery here. Some smart people loaded up and probably will push higher. It's still not a good area for us to trade because it's at top of the channel here. Gold. Well, when I said here, I said, well, the top on gold is in. We'll probably do one more. We'll do some fuckeries, but the top is in here. Well, look at it. It's jamming out. It's making big M's. Could push higher. Yes. I could be wrong and this one not to be the top and could push to 5,000. Possible. But when you see people staying in line to buy gold at physical stores, you know that public is in. Who the fuck is left to buy gold? Don't say Peter Schiff because he was selling all the way up, people. Yeah, he's a gold bug, but that motherfucker sold you gold from below 3,000. I bet you. He has even a, I don't know, he's doing that consistently. He has a store where he's selling gold. That's his business model. So when he was saying, well, he's outrunning Bitcoin and look at how strong it is, he was selling all the way. He knows what he's doing. Next time when you see Peter Schiff saying something, remember that he was selling you gold all the way up here. And you will understand why he's saying what he's saying. Okay. Silver. Well, I want to see silver stopping from this dump. Maybe $40, maybe even here somewhere. I don't see a strong support around here, but I want to see making a W and continue pushing up, even if gold will not push to the new highs. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows. Total market cap. Well, people, we are trying to form a W here. If I put the line chart now, we'll see. Well, looks like a W to me. It's not closed yet, but looks like a W in total market cap. If we'll close like this, we have our fucking W. And I think we'll close a bit higher. Total 3, similar. Look at the W. So, I have a reason why I'm looking every day. I'm looking at this chart. Total 3, total market cap, Ethereum versus Bitcoin and so on. I'm not saying that this is a complete W. It is at the moment, but we didn't close this candle. Let's put the candle back. This is an open candle, but looks nice. Total 3, for example, it's trying to accept above 1 trillion and stay above. If we'll succeed to do that, well, we'll go to 1.2. If we'll accept above that, well, you know what is next. I anticipated with that post last night the altcoin season. I want to be the first to call the altcoin season, to be right. What do you say? It's a good idea? People, I'm not predicting the market. I was half joking saying that the altcoin season is officially here. Idea is that the smart money are preparing for something like that. Just look around and you'll see the signs. Okay, that's the overview. Let's go on lower time frame. But first things first. We have CPI today. I don't know if the government is open. I don't know if they will put the report. I don't know if government is putting the report. I don't fucking know anything. I'll wait and see what will happen. Yeah? We have some news that could bring us some volatility. Don't think that this news will push the market back down. It's a bad news, doesn't matter. As long as Trump is meeting with Xi and next week, that's the big news. Is buy the rumor until then. If no deal will happen, well, you know what is next. If they will say, well, everyone is hoping for a deal, everyone is hoping for removing some fees, and no, actually, well, no agreement. Then the market will dump. Because you know Trump will say something ugly if it doesn't succeed to do something. But if the market, if the agreement is done next week, we'll have buy the rumor, most probably, until then, or close to that event. If the agreement is done, we'll pump initially, and then we'll have a retracement, usually because nobody's left to buy. And after that retracement, we can reload and think, well, let's push higher. We have FOMC soon enough. They'll cut the rates most probably. QT is almost done. They all try to change. They are good signs for the end of the year. You have to see it. Yeah, they are good signs for the end of the year, at least for crypto. I don't know for the rest, but I see some nice signs for altcoins, not specifically Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin will go to the moon. Everyone is, well, Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is Bitcoin. We know that. But for the crypto space, I see some developments. Now, what is next? To see Sam out of the prison and say, well, we pardon him also because he's a good guy. And it's probable to happen. Anyway, I'm ranting and it's not, today is not about ranting. Today is about daily plan. So, we have in the opening of the New Year session, half an hour before we'll start the live stream, we have CPI. Now, let's go on lower time frame. This is my template. This is what I did lately. I don't know if I did good or bad. I think I did pretty nice here. Short, long, short here, switch to long here at the Monday low. Still in the trade. You can see my take profit is here at the Monday high. Didn't touch that one. I will close it entirely here. No, thank you. I'll trail a little bit. I still have this one here waiting. What is next? Well, I'm waiting for this one to see what happens here. If the market wants to accept this one as a support, then we can push higher and we can push to the next level here. We have another one here. We should not ignore this one. That could produce something. But overall, we are still, what do we have? We have a Monday range and we are still in the Monday range. That's for sure. So we are bullish, but we have to play the range because we are still in that range. If you want to, I don't know, buy it or to hunt only long ideas, I suggest to take Holy Grail in consideration. That's the tool that will keep you in a trend. If you have a trend, Holy Grail is the best tool to have. Okay, so up to you. Overall, from this, from this high to this low, we are in the short reload zone. But from the entire move to the downside, because it was an entire move here, you can see we started from here. So we should consider this one. Imagine. High, low, short reload zone, it's a bit higher, people. And look at 120 here. I think we can push with good news, with something, we can push all the way up here pretty easily. When we'll reach this level, we'll have to reassess. Imagine getting here, everyone will be bullish, and we'll see an EM on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. What do you think? I'll take it. But level by level thinking, we are still in the Monday range. We'll wait to see if this one will be accepted as support, or will reject. We are in a short reload zone on 1 hour and lower. So you can play a short if you want. I will try not to. Let's see what I'll get. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. Ethereum. Where the fuck are you? Okay. Now, you remember, we made some money here on Ethereum. I made some money. I don't know if rest of you, but I think I posted this one for VIP and they made some money here. Actually, Stefan had even a better one. Now that trade is gone. Let's delete that one. This is gone. Actually, if you look at the house level, Capo 1, look at it. We stopped exactly in the house level. We didn't accept below to take this level. It's something to remember. What do we have now? Well, we have an AB equals CD here. AB, CD. We completed that one. I'll take this one with fib, with everything, and you'll see it. Can you see it? It's pointing in the middle of the range in $4,000. That move is complete. Now here at 4,000, it's a total fuckery. And I suggest you to stay the fuck out. Sorry, that's the reality. Fair value gap here. So we can do something like this in the news or something. We can push a bit higher here, go all the way down here, retest, and then go all the way up here. And SFU this level. It's possible to have something like this. It's not easy to trade. And usually I don't recommend to trade in the middle of the range. Yeah. Let's see what we can get. The AB equals the, it's ugly, but it's there, it's completed. We are at 4,000. Big ugly number for a trader. 4,000 is good for take profit area. Yeah? When you see a big fat round number, well, put it as take profit. But to open a trade in a big number, don't do it. Okay, so I could see something like this. Accepting above 4,000, pushing up, 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 up. Okay. Use Holy Grail if you think that scenario is better. Now, you know that I love to look at new shitcoins on 4-hour chart. Let's start with the first one. Here I have something. Something nice actually I have there. If I switch on 1 hour, you'll see something. Why I have an alarm there on 1 hour. Feel free to use that. Bullish divergence on RSI. Nice location below 88.6, almost too low. Okay. You have the W breakout. 1 candle, 2 candles, retest will be a nice entry. Take it, leave it. I'm not posting these ones anymore on the general chat. If anyone wants to see what I'm thinking and take our trades or what I'm posting, has to watch the live streams. I think that's a 3 to 1. Just imagine staying in the long reload zone, but doing something like this, taking SFUing that level. That will be nice. We can do more? Of course we can. A lot more. Worth the time and effort to hunt here? Yeah, because the location is good, because the W's are small, and the risk to reward is great if the trade will succeed. Really, really nice. Just imagine taking this trade here, okay? Let me zoom out. And push all the way up in the short reload zone. From $1, $1.7 to $5. I'm not saying that will happen and it will happen until tomorrow, but it's possible, it's probable to push all the way up here to retest this level at some point. And if I manage to get that fucking W and hold the trade until here, that's a 62R. Come on. Okay, let's go back on 4-hour chart. Now let's take the next one. Here we are trying to do something. We are trying to W up. Select your favorite coin and play it. Similar. 4-hour W trying to form. This one, it's all over the place. No W here, no EM here. I prefer just to watch it from the sidelines, and I'm not trading this one. Not for the moment. When it will cool off, now everything is about CZ. Pardon, not pardon. Pushing, not pushing. Doing, not doing. I don't care. I don't like the price action here. When we'll slow down and I'll see small W's in the long reload zone. Will happen. I just need to be patient. Then my time will come to play with this one. Now I'll let the beginners make their money. This one is trying, but I don't see the 4-hour W. This one is ranging nothing. No. On Aster, I played yesterday a 5-minute chart Holy Grail. And if I put the Holy Grail, you'll see it. I started actually a 3-minute chart. And I took this entry here. And then I switched to 5. And I'm trailing. And I'm in the trade and I'm waiting. Nothing to do here, just trail. I don't know where this one will stop. Maybe this one will stop at $5. And I'll still be able to trail until then. I don't know. I'm not guaranteed anything. I am in profit. I'm trailing the stop loss higher and higher. Actually, because I'm deep in profit, I'll switch my stop loss to 50-minute chart. You can see we started on 50-minute chart uptrend. And my stop loss should be somewhere in here. Okay? Something here, like here. I'm not greedy to take the profit immediately. Huh? And I'm waiting. And if this one will push higher and higher, then I'll switch to 30-minute chart. Holy Grail. And so on. Let it more and more room to grow. If I'll see an exponential move, then I'll take something off. Okay, let's go back on 5. So you get the idea. Let's see what will happen. 4-hour chart. Okay. On 4-hour chart, I don't see a W. No W. V bottom here. Let's wait for it. Maybe we'll form a 4-hour W. Avant is pushing higher. We have an ugly W here, but nothing we can do. No W here. This one. This one is an ugly motherfucker. They have some airdrops again. They have the second part of the... Anyway. Down. We managed to to short. 14 hours. What the fuck is this? 4 hours. Sorry. Okay. On 4 hours. 4 minutes. That's even better, Paul. So. We shorted here. Made nice money. Here we managed to get a W here at $5. We made money on the upside. Now what we can do? Just stay the fuck out and wait. If we'll hit this level and we'll accept back below, then we can short again. But for the moment, nothing we can do. No clear W here. Ethereum I talked about. No W yet. Too high. Nice trade. I don't know the trader who framed this one, but he's a damn good trader, seems like. Stupid trader. It's holding for the moment. You can see we are making a big double here. We're accepting above. Let it run. It's a 13-1 all the way up here. I'll gladly take the profit there. Trying to form a double here. I don't know location if it's good enough. Well, it's dumping, so we'll reverse at some point, but not clear double, not a clear double. In the long reload zone, but nothing we can do. No. Trying to do something, but no, not yet at least. Too high for my taste. I know a trader who took this trade here. W here, but well, this one, if you like it, because looks like a double bottom, looks like a breakout and retest, you can put Holy Grail on 5-minute chart. Let's see, we have something. Not even that. 50-minute chart maybe. Yeah, play 50-minute chart looks a lot better here. You can see well respected. If you see an entry here, stop loss there, you know the drill. Okay. It's trying to form a bottom here, but no, you can see we dumped like crazy. We need more to see the bottom. This one is still in play, underwater, but actually no. It is Mira. No, we don't have this one yet. We are waiting for something like this. Sorry. No? So breakout or retest. That will be nice. Don't take it until we'll do the breakout, because this big consolidation increase the chances for us to get the breakout and the retest. No trade here, nothing here, no. Other entry, lazy, ugly, is trying to form another W here. Not too many people still have this one, I think. Could explode, yes. At the entry, after you are risk free, nothing you should do here. You should just let it play itself out. Order, pump and dump. If you see candles like this, just let it play itself out. It's dangerous to play it. Sky is trying to do something, but stable. If you remember, Bochan said something about this one. Well, we managed to get an entry. We managed to stay above that entry, and we are slightly in profit. Make it risk free at 1-to-1. Trail the rest as high as possible. I'm not a financial advisor. Do whatever you want with your money, people. Nice location here. Trying to do something. This fucker is driving beginners out of the market, is making them crazy. Up and down, up and down, up and down. Wait for a breakout and a retest if you want to play. A big range, nothing I can do. SFU here, too much window over risk here. But you can see why I'm saying wait for the SFU. Don't short here. Everyone, well, short here and we'll make money. No. Don't do it. And we can do another one here. Yes, we can. It's probable to happen. Another SFU here and then to dump like crazy. I'm shorting this one. No, I have other things, better things to do than shorting that coin. Trying to make a W there. You can see the W. Not the best W though. Actually, if I'll zoom in, I'll probably see a lower low here. Probably. Ah, there you go. So, no thank you. There are better charts. This one, slightly in profit. Make it risk free at 1-to-1 if you don't have it already. Let's see, we had 1-to-1. No, not yet. Still in the trade. Looks nice. This one is looking nice. Looks like wants to pump. Nothing we can do on this one. Well, finally, looks something nice on 4-hour chart. Finally. Motherfucker. Look at it. How the fuck I missed this one? Look at it. 4-hour W. Bullish divergence here. I don't know if we have it on OBV also. Well, actually we do. Well, no, we don't. Sorry. But you see, W's here, I think because it's so low, because we have a nice location, I should think about taking this one. And actually, people, I know I'm live streaming and I know it's not nice from my side, but I'm a trader and I need to trade. So guess what? Bear with me for 1 second. 9%, okay. Okay. So take it at breakout like I just did, or wait for something like this. It's also okay. Something like this. How high this one could pump? Well, let's see where the short reload zone is. And we'll know where the short reload zone. There you go. Not straight up, but you get the idea. I could see this one from 37 cents to $1.1. Yes. Is that a good risk to reward? I guess so. 21. Well, now here, let's be happy with an SFU here, 5 to 1. And trail all the way up here if it's possible. It's up to you. I'm not saying to do it. Let's just post it on Discord also. General chat or I don't know. Well, actually, let's post it on general chat. Okay. Okay. Now, next one. Well, I know a trader that wanted to take a trade here. And I know a trader that missed his entry. I don't know if you know that trader. Some people took this level. Some people front run this level. Well, that's the problem. Sometimes that's the problem when you post the trade. And if the volume is not big enough, you'll get front run. I don't know if it's because we posted and the entire community had a limit order there, or I don't know. Let's just say that we got front run and the market is pumping. Nothing we can do here. Nothing we can do here. Not yet. Nice location on this one, but nothing else. Nothing we can do now. Let's wait for another setup. Someone made nice money there. No. Too high for my taste. Definitely too high. Someone has a trade and is happy about it. I don't know. You want to take this big W on daily chart and hope for a 2 or 3 hour until short reload zone is not bad. But if you're already long, stay in that long because it's nice. Could be the bottom. This one is ugly. I don't know what to read from this one. This is a new one. Pumping and dumping all over the place. Ugly to trade. This one was trying to form another W here. 1 hour. We had the W already. This one, something like this. Will hit the stop loss? Possible, probable. Who knows? It's just a trade. We don't marry with altcoins. We trade them. It fails, hit our stop loss, next bus, and so on. We don't do anything else. And this one. This was a nice one. Was posted on Premium Chat by Andrea here before the launch. Then I reminded you about this coin here. And look what happened next. Some people managed to take it. You saw the post. I didn't manage to do anything on this one. I was live streaming, too busy with other things, too many coins I was waiting too much, probably. I'm not upset because I know I'll miss a lot of opportunities this bull market. Important thing is to don't miss all of them, to enter in some of them and make some money. I know that I'll miss a lot of opportunities like this. Now what you can do? Well, now you have a high and you have a low. And now you can play with long reload zone. There you go, 78.6. Altcoin long reload zone, 35 cents. If you see the market coming back down here, it will come back down. Don't worry about it. From here or from higher. And we'll form a W around here. There you go. That's your entry. For the moment, nothing you can do. Okay. So, that's my overview. That's my review on the new shitcoins. The old shitcoins, I'm waiting for more than 4-hour Ws. Some of them, if they have news, they will pump. Yeah. Feel free to ask about any coin you want in the general chat or in premium or VIP chat, depending what subscription you have, and we'll take a look. I don't want to scalp on lower time frame, to scalp on old shitcoins. I want to scalp on new shitcoins. I want to see where the volatility is. But if you see something nice, why not? Post and we'll take a look at it. I'm blabbing away from 35 minutes. I think it's enough. Remember about the CPI. Not too many people are reposting the tweets here. What we post the daily crypto plan. You can do better, people. We have 2,000 people. 200 and something people are viewing this live stream. 16 reposts. Come on. You can do better. Anyway, idea is to wait for something to trade. We are trying to take this high. Let's see if we'll accept above the Monday high or we'll reject here. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session. Capo 1. See you later in the day for the Capo 1 live stream. By the way, we opened the registration for Capo 1. What you get to subscribe earlier? Well, you get free premium access until we'll start the Capo 1 program. So if you want to be a premium member, join Capo 1. You'll have premium access until we start. And then you'll have another year from Capo 1. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you later, people.